Hello! If you are a middle school math teacher looking for some extra engaging resources for solving systems of equations by substitution, I have a special resource for you. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin, and I'm the creator of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach 6th, 7th, 8th grade, and Algebra 1. In this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new resource that is all around solving systems of equations by substitution. It's totally free, and if you want to grab it, there is a link right below this video in the description box. If you're just like, give me the resource, I don't even need to see it, I'm ready to go. Click on that link right in the description box below and grab it right now. But if you hang with me for just a few minutes, I'm going to show you around this resource so you can see exactly what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and let's dive in. Okay, so here's the resource. It is called Grow a Garden, and it comes to you as a Google slide presentation. You can totally print this. You can print all the slides out and put them all around the room as like a whole classroom kind of scavenger hunt, or you can use this as a digital scavenger hunt in your whatever Google platform that you are using. So I'm actually going to hit the slideshow presentation so you can see exactly what it is in its full glory, right? Okay, so here we go. So it is called Grow a Garden. Students, you will have your teacher directions here. Students will have directions here. You can show them both, it doesn't matter. You're going to print out and make copies of the very last slide because it is to be used as a coloring sheet for early finishers, but I can show that to you afterwards. So what students are going to do is they're so this is just a quick review on how to solve systems of equations by substitution. They're going to go through each slide, and they're going to solve this, and they're going to choose the correct answer. And I actually don't know the answer, so I'm just going to pick one so you can see exactly what happens. So if I think the answer to this system is -2/6, oh no, I got it wrong. So it's going to take me back to the original problem, and I'm going to click another, oh, still wrong again, still wrong again. Okay, bam. So I answered the first question correct, and look, I've already made a garden bed. So by answering that first question, I've created the garden bed for my garden, because the whole point is to create a garden while solving these systems, right? Okay, so here's the next question. And again, I don't know the answer to these. At least I don't have them memorized. Okay, great. I picked the right answer. And look, I have filled in the soil. So you get what I'm trying to say here. At the very end, students, if you have students who do finish early, I have a coloring page for you that you can print out that they can color on their own. And it's just a fun, a little bit of kind of art meets math. So that's the activity. I love systems of equations, but I do have a hard time finding activities that are a little bit more engaging, that's outside of just your general worksheet of like, here, solve this problem, answer the question, solve the problem, answer the question. This is just something a little bit different. It's visually appealing. It's definitely way more engaging than any workbook, textbook that I have access to, and I would love for you to grab it totally for free today. If you want to grab it, again, use the link right in the description box below, and it'll come directly into your email for you to use anytime you want. Again, my name is Kathy Martin. Bye for now.